there, welcome to the Soul Sister channel on this Sunday, September the 3rd. My name is Kat. I've got your astrological spiritual forecast and guidance going from today through Saturday, September the 6th. So I'm calling this week, Just Do You. It's a continuation of the work that we've been hopefully doing, internal work within these last weeks and weeks, getting in touch with who we truly are and what we really love to do. And this week, there's all kinds of great earth energy to actually take the steps to make changes in our life, so the outer world more reflects our inner world of what our passion is, what we love to do, and who we truly are. So there are two energy shifts this week. Venus goes direct today in Leo, and Jupiter goes retrograde tomorrow, Monday, in Taurus. So, also, tomorrow, Taurus, that is Labor Day. So to all our American friends, happy Labor Day. Enjoy the day. It's actually a real productive day. So maybe we can be productive, firing up the grill and making plans with our friends and family to really enjoy our time off. So that is the beginning of the week. We have Venus direct in Leo. So she has finished her review of her relationships and how to bring balance to the relationships. And now Venus is ready to kick into action and do what needs to be done to bring balance and peace into the life. So we've got Sunday, which is a great day. Monday is another great productive day. This is all about earth energy. Earth energy is grounded, it's stable, it's practical, it's realistic, okay? That's the energy we're working all week long to start implementing change in our lives so that we can truly embrace who we are and we can truly do the work that we love, our passion, our bliss. So good day on Monday and Tuesday. Even though Monday is a holiday, it's a great productive day to really implement those changes. And I'm telling you, Monday, Tuesday, don't be surprised if we are offered a raise in our position, our career, our job. Some kind of upgrade is going to happen Monday, Tuesday, depending on where we are and what we're doing in our lives. So we've got Mercury and Virgo trine Jupiter and Taurus. Absolutely both earth energies working well together. Again, implementing change in our life so that we can feel good about who we are and we can feel great about the work that we're doing. This is the week to start those changes. Start them now. If we're not offered a raise, we feel that we deserve a raise. These first part of the week, man, if we ask, we shall receive. Now, Jupiter just went retrograde in Taurus on Monday, on Labor Day. So let's talk about that for just a minute. Jupiter is our faith, it's our expansion, it's our optimism. So Jupiter's going to be in the background doing two type of things. Are we secure in our faith? Are we experiencing that connection to the greater whole? And if we aren't experiencing that, then we're going to have things come up in our lives to help us take another look. Now, Jupiter is in Taurus, and Virgo is all about the true self. So if this energy goes awry, It could turn into being how I embellish my image to make myself look better to the outer world. Embellishing the image is not embracing our true, authentic self. Going out and buying more stuff to make me look better, make my status look better. That is a fallout from this Jupiter retrograde if we aren't doing the work of Jupiter, and instead of buying stuff and trying to make ourselves look better, going within and determining what it is we love to do. What do we have? What skill do we have that isn't really out there a lot? What is it? Who we truly are in our work doesn't necessarily have to align with our career. It has to be something that we love, though, that brings us bliss. So maybe we go out to work, but our love is this beautiful vegetable garden that we have. This beautiful vegetable garden. That's what brings us happiness, peace, and joy. So it does not have to be the career. Your career, but we need to be working on it. We need to be discovering it, supporting it, and maintaining it. This week is the week to get it done. Start moving into the direction of our true authentic self. Start moving into the direction of the work we love to do. Monday and Tuesday are very auspicious days to really get the ball rolling. And like I said, might be a raise in there. We might find something more financially lucrative, a career or job that's more financially lucrative for us, Jupiter and Taurus. So be aware of that at the beginning of the week. Wednesday, we have the Sun in Virgo, conjunct Mercury in Virgo. Oh my gosh, this is so productive. Again, both energies are earth energy, practical, stable, reliable. So we're implementing, we want to start doing something, taking a physical step toward our true selves and our work, if we're not there already. So it's a wonderful, wonderful energy all week long. And on Wednesday, not only is it great for us personally, it's also a great day for networking, for socializing, for interviewing. It is a great, productive week. On Thursday, it continues. However, on Thursday, I want us to listen to what the other is saying. What the other is saying is very important. It's important to us for us to discover and get more information on what we love to do, who we truly are. But it gives us more information about the other person, of what's being said and what maybe isn't being said, so that we can address the situation, the conversation, the connection in the best way, the most appropriate way. We can't do that if we are in our heads trying to think of, oh, what am I going to come back with? Okay, she's talking about this, but that's a segue for me into that. We do that a lot. Instead of listening, we are trying to figure out how we're going to respond. Be aware of that on Thursday. Make sure that we're listening so we don't miss any important information. And Friday is another auspicious day this week as well, with the Sun in Virgo trining Jupiter in Taurus. So it's a great day to start implementing, start moving toward the steps that we need to take to feel good about ourselves, to be happy with who we are and our work. Remember, we have the earth energy, it's practical, it's stable, it's reliable, and it is grounded And that's the energy we're working on. So we can feel confident that the steps that we're taking today will help give our life an upgrade. We're going to feel better with who we are and our work. As long as we have been doing the internal work to discover what is it about me that makes me different than other people. I know I want to shove it in the closet because it's weird, and I know I'm weird, but it's that exact characteristic or quality that we are crying for on the earth today. So bring that out of the closet and let's share that with our brothers and sisters, because when we do that, we will help heal and transform the entire earth family. No shit. That's how it works. That's how important it is for us to get in touch with who we are and our purpose. Each one of us is here for a specific reason. We need to discover that and get to it. And this is the week to move towards it, to implement it. On Friday, it's a great day for finances, another great day for maybe a raise or asking for a raise. And as far as our financial health, it's a great day. We have that earth energy. What financial strategy do we need in our lives to make sure that we are grounded, practical, reliable, and stable? Now, just as an aside, we have Saturn retrograde. So if we aren't building a strong foundation, Saturn just might come and blow it all away on us. So it's very important that we follow all the steps and build a strong foundation with who we are and our work. Saturday, we have the moon in Cancer. It's a great day to be with friends and family. It's a great day to mingle and socialize. And with our partner, it's a great date night. And we're going to ask them, make sure that we're going to say to our partner, is there anything I can do for you? Do you need any assistance in anything before we go out tonight? That's what we're going to say, because that is the flavor of Cancer. And I'm going to tell you, if we do that, we're going to get lucky later on. That's all I'm saying. All I'm saying. So enjoy the week. It's a great week. Oh, it's gangbuster week. We are going to start implementing, taking the steps towards feeling better about ourselves, embracing our weirdness, our eccentricity, our uniqueness, our divinity. And we're going to also work toward having a purpose in our work that also brings us happiness, fulfillment, and joy. And like I said, it does not have to be our career. It would be nice if it was a 2-for-1 special, but it might be something different. Maybe we have a career and we love to paint, or we love to write, things like that. It's important. Even though we're not making a living from our special skill, we still need to share this skill with our brothers and sisters. Our paintings, our drawings, our writings, our music, that can be so healing and transformative if we are able to express ourselves through those means, if that's our purpose. Not mine. I suck at all that stuff. but I'm the astrologer. But so do it. Take a risk on ourselves. Take a chance on ourselves. This is the week we can have the confidence and the success that we've been looking for. So to get started with this great week ahead, we're going to become balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths and then saying our Sun in Virgo affirmation. Let's take our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Let's take one more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity. It is just flowing away, flowing out of the bottoms of our feet, going back to wherever it came from. We can see it as dark. We can see it as squares. And then in its place, we are being filled with this beautiful light made up of white light, love, and goodwill. It's coming through the top of our heads. It's filling our entire bodies. Not only is it filling our entire bodies, folks, it's protecting us from all evil, all low vibration, all negativity, which is being deflected back to its source. Now, while we're in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we will say our Sun in Virgo affirmation. I embrace my true, authentic self and my work. I shine my light out into the world. We'll say the affirmation. We'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I embrace my true, authentic self and my work. I shine my light out into the world. Wow, what a perfect affirmation for this week. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Shining our light out into the world. Oh my God, the world needs it so bad right now. So let's do that this week. Let's take the steps to embrace and express who we truly are in our work. Let's do it. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational oracle messages, as well as my quirky, interesting, and sometimes humorous memes. And I would love for you to share the message of the Soul Sister channel, that we are responsible for our own realities. We create it, whether consciously or unconsciously, but we are the creators. It's not happening out there, it's happening right here. And once we become conscious of that and start working with the energies, we can indeed create the life we want. Remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel: life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great week. Step into ourselves and express it. Namaste.